That looks insane.
Yeah,
It looks like my heartbeat monitor.
Yeah, this is just like a random.
Slightly irregular.
I
was going to
pulled
go
up.
Game of Thrones Dragon.
Yeah, I just pulled up like basically a 1 month moving average. You can see like 30-day, 2 month moving average, 60-day, 3 month, 90-day, right? 4 month, 5 months. So these are like a 1 month to a 6 month moving average. And you can see it's like the river of blood, right? This was the bear market, just nonstop, just down, 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 down on every time frame. This obviously was a great time to be a long investor in crypto. You made a lot of money by being long between May 2020 and May 2021. Basically, a year of free money. Quite the opposite was true. But now you can see we've actually had a pretty strong trend reversal where all this red has slowed down and actually started to reverse, right? And so you see a breakout. And this is a long-term breakout, a long-term reversal on pretty much every time frame, where you used to have, the 1 month average declining faster than the 2 month, which is declining faster than the 3 month average, which is declining faster than the 4 month. You now have the opposite. You have the 1 month average rising faster than the 2 month average, which is rising faster than the 3 month average. And now you see the 4, the 5, and the 6 month average are all kind of tucked here down around $20,000. That makes me think that we could have a little bit of breathing room in this range as we kind of consolidate between $25,000 and $20,000. We let these longer term averages move up. But I'm quite bullish based on just this, this moving average study alone. You very rarely get this sort of behavior in this sort of moving average ribbon without getting some kind of continuation and momentum. You see, we kind of had some positive motion up here, and the Fed really went on their war against inflation. We had a very similar kind of move right up here. Market rallied pretty hard, and then the COVID pandemic happened. So a couple bad moves. You could see right down here, this whole river of blood, and then that very marked trend shift from green or from red to green. It happens throughout Bitcoin's lifespan. Kind of right down here again, big trend shift. And so what I'm thinking is we could either be in this scenario right here, where there's just one last correction to come, or we could actually be on the upswing. I'm kind of more in the camp of we have a little slight correction to come, scare people out one more time, and then make our way higher. But there's so much strong support now in Bitcoin. You can see all this volume that's now been basically cleared out. Now this is all going to be support. So dips are for buying, in my opinion. You can see actually one thing. If we take like the ETH BTC chart, take it on Coinbase, you can see a very, very stable sort of chart. And so this is, Ethereum in terms of Bitcoin, kind of a tight volume point of control. And this has been, for a long time, like the price of Ethereum in terms of Bitcoin has pretty much been stable since May of 2021. Like it hasn't moved anywhere. Now, certainly deviated a little bit to the upside, deviated a little downside. But this is gearing up for a big move, which will have pretty big implications. Now, a breakout from this range to the upside is going to be a big alt season, right? Where if you have Ethereum that's rising quickly in terms of Bitcoin, you're going to have all the other altcoins rising. So again, you could see this consolidation, this pinch, both in volume profile and in price action. So it's consolidating for a big move. You don't really have much of an edge in terms of these moving averages. See how they're all muddied up. This is just energy consolidating for a breakout one way or another. And so again, a breakout to the upside, you're going to see a lot of altcoins follow. A breakout to the downside, we've got our support down here at about 0.05 ETH. Or 0.05 BTC per Ethereum is a support line right here. And in this scenario, you would probably see stable coins stablecoin dominance rise, Bitcoin dominance rise, altcoins fall, all that kind of thing. So you're kind of hoping, if you're an altcoin holder, that this breaks up. And if it starts to break down, you'd probably have a good area to get out. But I mean, this is a pretty long-term consolidation pattern. My money is on this scenario kind of occurring, breaking out to the upside. But hey, the jury's still out.